This na CTN.
Fambu, Adu and welcome to CTN My Visit, where they reach you na Radio Mount Oriel FM 107.3. My Visit na program where they look at different communities and some historical places them where they na the country, and follow we able to bring the importance and some of the things them where they go want and some of the things that we already then they do na the communities them. Well, inside today's edition, I can work on Moaf, one of the slum communities them where they na Freetown, and you get so many history and same way so they get very important side way the country can benefit from. Well, for now we can know much about Moaf. I don't come meet with one man. We go tell me your name and your position in the community.
Family, Mina Jibril Sise, Abu Master Moaf.
Alright. When you talk about Abu Master, it means you're in a fishing community.
Yeah, of course.
Okay. For how long did you done there?
Well, Mina hadn't born me, and I'm 35 years this now. So, me 35 years this one I don't serve in this community. Now hadn't born me. Now me people and born me. Now I grew up. Now men.
So you born here, you mean here?
Yeah.
But you know sure for that. All right. Okay. So now let me talk about some historical, because 35 years not to 35 days.
Yeah, of course.
For a long time you don't there. So tell me, what are some of the history we this Moaf community make up?
Well, me from when they born me now, I don't there. From where they are, of course, yeah, that's how we don't develop now, because people will not be there boku. From the them born me, they also not be boku. But because of the unity we meet to people in power, they encourage strangers, accommodate them, talk to them fine, able to encourage people and let them come now back for can settle. And we thank God now. We thank you that they see different people that don't carry inside the community where they carry different ideas for fair way for push the community go before. So like that day.
So like waiting at the thing that we didn't be do here, we see a you go be proud of them sending it.
Well, from that end, yeah, we originally we na fishing work we do here. Now we meet people and they do. 95% of the people within the Moaf na fishing business. The woman them and the man them. A fishing business now. Few of we they do other business, but most of we na fishing business we do here.
Mano,
now they do here. Because and originally from what them born we now meet to people and they do we can't say we continue for the dam.
Okay. So what you know the fish with trawler or canoe boat also?
Well, some of food they go na trawler, some of food they use them canoe, the fishing. Some man they go na then industrial fishing, some man they use that canoe.
So waiting normally when I can use type fish normally Moaf king say we na this type fish you can always the fish here.
Well, we get different type of fishing how we do. We get the fishing good fish when na kuta, the fishing that size mina, that mina kuta, different fish with the fishing. Nah, because now we able for do everything alive. Now they will push you picking and go school, everything for pay for the school fee. Now this one get fishing.
So now looking at the community, now a congested community, we are in, you're not going able to forget huge amounts of passage. We are in the passage and small. How are they able to manage on ourselves? Because look close. How are they able to manage on ourselves?
Well, and like we talk so yes, really we can strain, but we dey manage ourselves because normally suitable for we all because of the road and we now say we no we don't call we and we say this not we them plan not to say we they build for plan. Everybody can no more for letting say we get say we the dom then you family able live and that way they manage we all understand ourselves no get plan for that we need get misunderstanding for that because we all understand ourselves say that the way this way God wants follow we live now and we all not go reach follow we die with this life.
Okay. And say Motamandi then Allah chamot and apart misunderstanding no go done. Now looking at the community, so many people in there, man, woman, picking, plenty and they can get them there, Allah can come up.
Of course, then they no go done. The Allah they know they done. Because any side Motaman in there, any I turn them, now must meet up. But we the stakeholder themselves, we go all out for with the minimizing problem, let them no go before. We will manage yourself now, we go probably will settle unto yourself. You know go easily, we probably will take them, allow them till they go up. We will manage and don't have to yourself.
What about the issue of Unagoyeri say they don't can't Tifia, they don't can broke here, this don't can take this in company property. When I can get in cases and
yeah, normally it can happen. But we are thief business. We the youth man the grab we stand firm for if he thief man cannot hear yourself. Because guess youth man I will know they sleep. Oh let them dinner do. Now small time they get for sleep. But now them born. So then they secure the community, they secure we area. For any thief man we can with the handle them, we hand over to police.
So it means the one day we can thief here, now people we can come off.
Yeah, they can come off come because we them born here we know the thief here.
So what you can do to them people then?
Well, what we can handle them, they hand over to police.
Okay. And I get police post?
Yeah, we get police post.
So how effective this police post is?
Well, the police post, the one they work with, then the work with we correct. Then the work with, but the police post no more ain't get problem. You know, okay for the police them because the way the police post, if you didn't come, they disturb them. You know, okay. And
the place they leak.
The place they leak. Okay. And we say they look for support. Anybody will get support, let you help for that police post, let you bill them.
So una self can give community support to the post?
Of course. We say can give community support. At time where the Yakigan way they can complain to we say the police post the leak, we buy it our pole, go put us community. Okay. We change them for the putter.
So the drainage system now Usai water they pass because over the years we see slum communities they flood with water, they get they get an experience then.
Well now about the great thing and I hope say that question overcome. Me say we the wish for let come up. Okay. Now the drainage system we now have and unity make use the enable damage because this with drainage will get the dirty everybody will they get dirty will they turn up now to be direct they come. Now to be direct they come now we they come on now we they disturb because of we get unity now we community make we the youth man with the gap we clean them. They clean them. At times they clean until they tar. At times they clean until they tar because the dirty where they clean them when I say they come. Where they clean when I say they come. We don't go to city council, we don't put that complaint, we don't go to the police, we don't put the complaint. But you know we don't all people hand over to city council. And for 1, 2, 3 days you see them back, they don't let them come. And then they will feel say now city council will be able to handle that problem. They seriously. We don't talk, and the money we they affect we. Now one by the key thing will affect now the community. For any year, it must if you know to unity no more, we community for the get problem. And any year we turn for the year, we must get small problem we the water they escape small, but we know they allow let it go to us because with the count to one we decide for clean up. And now with the count to one as community, by we choose them with the spend money to we say with the money to ourselves with the stakeholder and now the other people are there, yeah, all man they can put on board. We push the way forward for let not get flooding.
Okay, fine. Now that's a very good initiative, as you must say. But on the side, we side water, dirty water they pass and dirty. We get the medical people that we can see. Then dirty water and dirty drainage and they cause for the mosquito the storm and mosquito and they cause malaria. Now people and they can sick of malaria so much in this community.
Well, of course like we they talk no more than obviously the malaria sick it didn't like. Wait you would try for explain because anybody's drainage and they give you this problem more. Because I did my sister they can't sit down from the way they come out they can't to people there. And I be go for respect than they happen to be. But we thank God make we will manage the situation small. But it affects we greatly. This drainage they affect we greatly and they look for support and these are the put on to everybody. Anybody will get support, we will support we. Now move off. With drainage one try for extend the leg go down so if the dirty they come you push go right down where it go empty na the sea where you no go affect we too much and we dey plead to everybody papa government now NGO anybody we get chance we push this drainage go down.
Let's talk about health business. Una get community center we na for health.
No, we not get community center we na for health. Just get ordinary community center where we get we programs them married. Any other thing we get, you go carry do and the people now do any other thing you do and but community center for health, we not get her.
So it means if a person sick now, pass them can go to a big hospital.
Of course, now we get 1 or 2 doctors there where they manage with people in small. If they're not able now, they will decide to this, let them push them, then they can go to the hospital.
Okay, so what in if the government they try for bring can development now more, what in mostly now the pressing thing. We go want as people in this community.
Well, the most important thing we want for now in this community, this drainage. Now one, because it affect we great. Then health center we not get, then school we not get.
So what's the picking to go school?
Well, we get past them climb up. Now up down here and they come out and go up and go school. And at times we get one time we get them pull and they picking go for go course. You get them see they don't pass and jam one picking. Na street with motor. People don't they put and then they don't really the money away. Picking if I let go now we don't be against send small. But for that early stage where they class 1, class 2, if I let be in the area, we not go far. So then they go upgrade for the accident problem.
Okay, youth man them. Like I say, how they manage on self as youth man them?
Well, the youth man how they manage now decide for make organizations then. If you didn't have this organization, if you get problem, we will look inside it, will help you. If you get you married, you get any other thing way concerning about you get buried way now you post die, we will look inside it, we will help. For that we will help yourself. We know they feel say we the think about different things. Make we decide for the organization here. Any small we decide for the other organization day. Any to help with you, now make we small money together. We put on a phone for any problem where they meet you automatically. You will for amenda.
A monthly one can do them contribution then.
Weekly,
every week.
Yes, sir.
And for me to talk to more people now the Moaf community, because the Moaf community now one of the famous communities them now the Freetown municipality as the Moaf community and one of the slum communities and get so many activities them where they around now the community. Well, as still there now the Moaf community, I don't come meet with some women them. We first then go tell me the name. What's your name?
My name is Atujalo.
I'm in Ulema Tisuma.
All right. Okay. Like we they say, Moaf now one of the slum communities. Them who say plenty people they live. First, una so man them how una able to manage for Libya.
But yeah, we all live in Aimona because one thing first in our water, but they will live in the water.
When you mean say water, how? What do you mean?
After fishing. I make us say we live in our town. We are past the fishing before we say we go buy, go sell, we will go living.
So mostly one of the women and fishermen.
Yes, most of them. Although we get students there, but you check 90% are fishermen there.
So you say not fishermen?
No, we are students.
Alright, okay. So now we don't do this community. For how long you done there?
7 years.
What in you experience from the time you don't can live here? What do you think say more have need as people where they live now? What you need?
Like toilet facility. We need toilet facility. Then we need community center. Then we need school and the community.
Now you talk about waste proper drainage for toilets, like how you say. It means this community majority of the Western Nuggets toilets facility.
Yeah, so majority will not get.
So we not get any like from the Freetown City Council who can build and community who can build toilets for public toilets for now. Okay, so let's come to this other woman. Now, like you say, just now say, una na fish more, una they live on. How una they able for manage, for do, say, una sell this fish and get una other living it?
We then count an hour, because we get the other half, they go sell one, the other half, they manage to dry. And even now, right now, they get difficulties, then they, because right now, if they then they mourn away. They say
environment protection agency.
Yes, they say they're not for make fire. And but we say right now we don't can stop. We say they're not for Kawita. We say for the strain. Even the one whole country they strain because that they then would now they take to dry fish from there now go sell. So if we dry fish not then a market, people and get frustrated. If we sell with the strain because we only we go turn stronger one. Because now dry we get for dry the fish to go sell. So all lengthing and they will go there and constrain them.
So now we don't cut off or letting they bring wood for una. Now how una they do for dry this fish?
Well, right now they strain like what they tell you no more. So they pass to go now have to go pick their particular where they come. To go dry the fish. If you even go now market self, wetin I dey tell you so if you know about fish you can prove am the way dey see the fish the condition that dey show you say right now people dey strain for dry fish.
Okay. Apart from being into fish activities wherein una dey sell fish or una dey do something wey get for really una no get any other thing wey una dey do as woman dem na the community.
We na the community pass someone let them group there wey the woman dem go and form wey dem make am by club so then they contribute money and from there then they loan themselves able do small business.
Okay. So now like you say just now say the community no get school. So the pikin wey dey na the community how dem dey do for land?
Pass them go the other community they then go down. Like now it risks. No then small pikin then they cross the streets for go land.
But una can get cases and say they don't bank pikin or so una can get anything.
Yeah, we get her.
Okay. So how often una can get anything?
Huh?
How often una can get any cases?
How?
Something fast.
No, not too fast.
Okay.
But it happen.
Okay, so now the people them we na like Lembele woman them like una see una no get hospital in the community. Na pass them go na big hospital.
Yeah, pass them go na cottage.
Okay. So like now what thinking normally happen we person get belle na win belle at in that community center health center no there.
Pass the Ola. Then papa then go to an hospital.
But una no can get any casualty.
Okay.
So
they got advice to come out for say if you get belle leg go to the hospital.
Usai woman kinde that small chamot knocking down ala something in the past something una go salmon una say na something wey dey happen now.
It can be because any side we more tamande we try we think about good you get for think about bad. Then ala then keep be. But we now we own community. They say we dey fair to they say we dey go na court. That case dey I like it go na court. They go pull and back out a concept as community level. And like even me sister they talk concern about the school business or the health center business. Then one day they give it but full difficult we own at the comrade. Because one now the inside the community will not get school pass will go out. Then we big policy na the community. Say una they go to an account a big problem for me. All thing and they will not get in our community.
Because we will not get proper road system.
Yeah, we will not get pass we claim the step before we go take transport. You know say some post the way attack Olam. If you able get first aid, say then go pay for our hospital, it go look better. But imagine we can a cottage. Always then can say cottage they know how we. Yes, we not deny they know how we. But it dey for purpose. They dey for belle woman, kumra with speaking. We big person go they know they treat am. Imagine for me I say come out that they able go get facility for big person. So all land they wanna win at the community.
So if one can ask you what you need right now as you.
Well, right now what you need they try to Papa government say let them think about handling for win our community. For let them go help we not get hospital in our community, not get them facility when the health center.
Alright, I still in at the Moaf community and I don't come in with one young man. We go tell me your name.
Abu Bakar Kagbo, actually in the court and shortly Abu Kagbo.
Alright, okay. For how long you don't live in Moaf?
Well, I can Moaf 2001, I can Moaf. So since we can Moaf, Alhamdulillah, right now we take a thinking because waiting do the way how they live in those days in 2001 to this 2019, the difference it took quite long.
Because the difference?
The difference is because today with the short team or water business we struggle for other things, but right now we take a thinking. Right now water we get a small and all the development small or big kind of areas so that we take a thinking. We have in a move from your own help we help yourself one to one.
You talk say una can get water. Which type water una they get? Now is that the one from the sea?
No, tap water.
Okay, that's from Guma.
Yes, sir.
So it means on our community get water system effective.
Well, we get a passing dry system where it's done. Actually cut off small, but we know we cut off them 1 week to no more. But sometimes by time no more to time.
So that's why una tell God thank you.
Yes.
So what are some of the things that they affect you as young man in this community?
Well, the way they affect me right now as a young man in the community. for Tikalo get a job, more people them, not so easy. Any government will come self, not so easy. But we tell God thank you. For me, we won't help, we help ourselves. We still courage. What not go point for that? We want to salon them. Okay. So if we will help ourselves or go before small, but they can't enter confident government consider say then get people and I will be say then live now more. Any help we can couch back. We appreciate with them.
And governments can say, well, we can give job to people who will also them people are then land job or then get any skill way then get na then aid. Is it that the youth man then I have then on land skills?
Yes, like me so I do electrical na trade center on a government technical institute.
GTI.
Yes, so I come out school 2013. From that time they tell now we get a job. Unless we are gonna see I begin struck myself like get me living with new man. So right now I tell God thank you. I join the C area.
So it means you get the qualification, but you not get the job right now.
I get diploma, I get certificates, so I know we get the job. But now God, I know go believe somebody now God. Now so me the ticker.
So who say youth man then can they that Allah you know can done something then they go you then they come in knocking company then first or then cause and something we can happen now.
No, I will move up to tell God thank you that side day. We will maintain ourselves. Since we this attack base now with other areas them we not get it then style and day. And we like attack base so being a vice chairman and we get lost them we put say na the will be attack base so because it be fine. We be say what first self we call policeman and can arrest you because we don't want that bad name they take up na more have seen na more in the first na more in the course you know we don't maintain as human being.
How not able to manage yourself?
Hey, we manage yourself by sit down together. What I get from I explain tell you if you get chance you assist me we move go together so now some we manage to small in terms of money business we form clubs them so through by them clubs then we discuss we save like attack base so we get we say we can learn 500,000 3 months it cost 200,000 plus what you learn you
that microcredit
we know they take out microcredit because microcredit any week they pay we now month by month 3 months it count small thing for we so that the club yes the club they develop small so this club they now they encourage me more and more we say you know it's not move so no more we go miss ministers they can't give money we go miss someone we can't give money because we maintain ourselves what we the after now we the after so now so we dey more.
However the case may be outside people and they Oko people and they then go one for they get glady to themselves, not so for all things the work they must get together. Now apart from this atabase, now get any side way people can go sit down and get find time to themselves.
Actually it's so difficult now with area. Unless this atabase now system we can sit down, some of we would feel happy and some of brothers them by the door because they in section. How the place they no more, now so they section. We say rent, they able to use. Now we get small place, we want to sit down, we discuss, we come and make that fund they no more. You see, unless this year OBC will help we can put this building now. OBC we look to for say we get any program now, where they can inside there, we make happiness.
So this building in for waiting.
Now community center.
Okay. So what are them building for now?
Now Bolori.
Okay. Now projects we wanna be right as community people.
Yes.
Or now them just can look at them.
Yes. Now we got some. See, let's build for Binaya community center.
So apart from fish, wanna get any other thing, other skills we youth man and go say. Apart from doing this fish, we get other skills. What they do?
Well, apart of the fish, yes, man and OBC they learn other skills. Them we get medicine and then we do building construction. We get carpentry. Them we do alpha hook. They who get 100,000 or 50,000, 20,000 in part of fishing. And like me, so you call me for go do in I host. I go left me fishing because I'm a job. While land, and able to experience me skill day. Like get me only living back for hard work. I do say the direct.
So you can get an okra and they can meet you.
Well, you don't cut off now. You don't cut off. Don't say now because I get an asababu. You see, some man they really host before they go meet and I say I don't get somebody. So if you don't get that lane, they know we know they. So now this is what I adopt myself. Still I gonna see.
So like if one go to listen when a government person go to listen this program based on the development, what's more una go want as community people?
What's more we want as a community people them? Well, last side when me get my own view say now this I want.
Yeah.
But the community elders them then get the last view say now this I want.
Actually for your own view.
For me own view, well like so if development come I need like for you to consult a hospital. If we get the access for that, if you get the access for that, yes, for them more because waiting more have done large, even for primary school, because picking when they come out, they go up school, then Boku, as maybe for Croydon Street here is so waiting call because we try the pass, not whatever you get sensitive to that patient for this and picking when they come. So if you get that access, the government will help we for building school and anything and they, we're so happy for that.
Well, that's what city and my visit Kolefi for today. Remember say I become working at the Moaf community We are one of the slum communities that within Afriton. In case you miss part or all of the program, tune in Sunday after the 12 o'clock noon bulletin for the repeat broadcast. Me will bring the program come to you tonight. My name na Sidiki Fofana.
This na CTN.